Hello students, this video is to educate you how to answer a question paper done in Google Forms. So as usual, you will enter your Google Classroom and under the exams tab, you will select the subject as per your exam timetable. So here I am going to show you how to do the English exam. So I'll select the English, first midterm exam English. So I selected that and this is a screen that is opened. Now here you can see an attachment here with a link. So we'll click on that. So I am taken to the question paper screen. This is the question paper. You can see over there it is written first midterm test English. Total time is 30 minutes and mark is 10. Now I'll start filling the answer sheet. So the first one I have to fill in is email address. So I'll fill my email address. Next is name of the student. Type your name, full name. Next is class and section. And next is your roll number. Now all these things you will have to fill for sure, because if you don't fill, for example, like if you don't know your roll number and if you are not filling the roll number, then if you click on the next button, you can see a warning coming here. This is a required question. Okay, so you will have to fill in your correct roll numbers over there. Only then the next button is enabled. So I have filled in all the details in this page. Email address, name of the student, class and section, and roll number is correctly filled. I'll move on to the next. So I'll click the next button. Now in the next screen, the question paper begins. So the first question is like, so you can see the heading over there. Choose the correct answer from the options, 1 mark each. Okay, and then the questions start. Choose an example for verb. So you have got 4 options. You will click the correct answer. That is, you will go to that round and you will click just tap there. So the correct answer is been selected. So after that, we'll move on to the next. So this is the next question, that is match the following questions. Now here, usually we have 2 columns or 2 groups, that is group A and group B, and we'll match correspondingly. So here what do we do is, I'll just show you. So the first question is vowel. So these are the questions, and the questions are arranged in rows and columns. So first what do we do is, we'll take the first one, that is vowel. So here and in the columns I'll select the correct answer. Okay, then next is consonant, so I'll go and click B. Next is verb, I'll go and click dance. Noun, Bombay. So that is also done. Now suppose if you want to change your answers, you are free to do here. If you want to change the previous answers, you can just click back, and this sing was the answer that we selected. If you want to change your answers, you are free to change. Okay, right. So we have done this question also. We'll move on to the next question. Now the next question is answer the following questions. Each question carry 2 marks. So the question is, what are common nouns? Give examples. So here we'll have to type. Okay. Etc. etc. Okay. Right. Now suppose if you don't know, like as I told you, you will have to write something, that is, see, if you don't write an answer over there, then you are not able to submit, because see, so this was the last question. So after that, the submit button has come over here. So if you don't know, or if you don't write an answer over there, then you cannot submit it. So now in that case, what do? You don't know the answer also, but you have to write something over there. So what do? You put a dash and then you will submit the form. Okay, so after submission, you will get a screen like this. Your answers have been submitted. So that is it. Okay, so hope everything is clear. Thank you.